Let's check out this custom ride at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1984 Chevrolet El Camino. As you can see, custom flame paint. Underneath the hood, 350 TPI out of a Chevrolet Corvette. And that's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Did want to point out a couple blemishes up here in the front. In the paint right there and right there. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out that custom flame job, multitude of colors. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, riding on American Racing, torque thrust, polished aluminum wheels, disc brakes up front. Let's go ahead, take a look down the passenger side of this car. It was frame off restored in 2004. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Was a southern vehicle, spent the majority of its life in Texas. And you can see the passenger side paint shows well. Does have a fiberglass tonneau cover. It is also lockable, and it does have struts on it, hydraulic struts, so it will stay up. You can take a peek in there if you want. I have it unlocked. Rubber bed mat. You can see the paint's nice in here also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Texas edition emblem on there. Like I said, it's where it spent the majority of its life. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. A few things I want to add is it does have dual exhaust. Does have a new battery and radiator. We're going to take a look underneath the hood, let you hear it run, check out that engine bay. And again, a 350 tune port injected V8 Corvette engine has been installed, and then that automatic with overdrive transmission. So this one will go down the highway nice. Let's take a look down this driver's side. That custom flame paint job continuing throughout driver and passenger side. Then I also wanted to mention I did roll the windows up so you'd see it with the windows up. They are tinted, so know your local and state laws on the percentage of window tint that you can have. All right, take a look at this interior. Also custom bucket seats, center console, power windows, power seat. So we take a look at the door panels. Speaker installed behind the seats, aftermarket radio, and I have had that working. Tilt column. Turn this on in a second, and as you can see, here is the radio, and that is working. Let's fire this up a second. Yeah, let's go to station command. There you go. Working. Cluster. Fuel gauge, like it's full. Temp gauge would be down on 100. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be moved. Tach also working, as well as oil pressure and volts. Take a look at the top of the dash. Liner looks good, and seats are free of rip, stairs, holes. Slip around in the back so you can hear this run. Once again, dual exhaust. Let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood a second. Of course, it'll be an internal latch for starters. hood. We'll check out the engine bay, and then don't forget, we'll have a driving video at the end too. So if you kind of want to take a little virtual ride in this car, see the sight going down the road. There's a look at the underside of the hood. There it is, 350, power steering, power brakes, AC. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Will definitely draw some attention. 1984 Chevrolet El Camino custom paint, interior, frame off restoration 04. Don't forget the 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. You can get a hold of us at 507-386-1726. And all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1984 Chevrolet El Camino. Very nice bright red paint with multicolored flames and a matching tonneau cover in red. It's a great running vehicle. Starts up and idles really good. Good throttle response. Great acceleration. Being a nice small vehicle, it feels nimble on the road. It handles well. Volts on our gauge are right in the middle at about 13. Fuel is almost full. Temperature is about 150. And the oil pressure at 35 right now. Factory tachometer and speedometer also working well. Aftermarket radio under the dash here. Sounds good. Blower motor does work. Brakes are working well. This vehicle corners well. It doesn't lean very much. It's got a nice rumble to it. Nice exhaust sound. Windshield wipers are working. We have a custom center console with cup holders and power windows built in and storage. Nice bucket seats in this vehicle. Suede looking fabric on the headliner. A very well done El Camino. Take a look at all the pictures of this El Camino at uniqueclassiccars.com.